Rollup Helper is meant to be easy to set up and use, but in this series of videos, I'll review the steps to troubleshoot your rollups and how to fix common issues. Each of these steps will be covered more in depth in separate videos, but here is the order to check issues. If you're waiting for a rollup to process but the target field is staying null, check the queue. Make sure queue items are completed and are not stuck or backed up. If queue items are stuck, check Apex jobs. If queue items completed, but the target field didn't update, check Rollup Helper exceptions, including record locks and filter field validation. If the rollup appears to be running successfully, but the target field still does not have the expected result, use the rollup preview to ensure filters are configured to return the expected result. After all of that is completed, look into issues of rollups not running in real time if needed. This video is going to go over step 3, what to do if your rollups are not running in real time. If you need instructions on any of the other steps, please check out the other videos in this playlist. For issues with the rollup not updating in real time, ensure a trigger for the source object is deployed. Also check that real-time or the trigger is not disabled from the Enable Real-Time tab or the Edit page for the rollup. If another object is referenced in the rollup setting or formula is used in the setting, you may need to reach out to support to have a special trigger created which can run rollups when another object besides the source object is modified at no extra cost to you. Real-time will only run when a source record is added or deleted, or the source field/field in the filter is modified. Changes to formula field values will not trigger rollups. However, if a formula field is the source field, any edit to the record will run the setting. If the formula is sourced from fields on a related object, a foreign key trigger would be necessary to run from edits on the related record. If possible, set the rollup so it does not process asynchronously and fire the trigger to see if any validation errors are blocking the update. Check the field level security on the target field to ensure the field is visible and writable. If processing asynchronously, turn on the custom setting, process queue items based on last modified by. This should prevent any permission issues from blocking the update. Try using preview records on the edit page of a rollup or run the query preview to ensure the expected result is returned by the query. If you still need help or have other issues, there are many ways to find answers. For self-service, we have the Rollup Helper admin guide, both in-app and on our website, and we also have a knowledge base where you can search for your issue. If you want to get in touch with our support team, you can email us at support@passagetech.com. You can start a live chat on our website, or you can sign up for a one-on-one session to ask questions.